Guess who?
From these high towers, television programs are beamed across the nation, bringing to millions of families a wide variety of entertainment. For example, Father likes a good comedy show. Mother loves her soap operas. And Junior is educational programs. Another popular type of program is called the quiz show.
The quiz show? Oh, man, I love a quiz show. That's my favorite program.
Here we are again, folks, bringing you the most famous of all quiz shows, Win the Whole Wide World. Are you ready for the big question?
I'm ready, Buster.
Then let's go. But first, a word from our sponsor.
Have you tried Hair Goop Hair Oil? Hair Goop Hair Oil contains CF, chicken fat. Watch this amazing demonstration.
And now for that big question, after we hear from our alternate sponsor, who brings you news about a great new car.
Never before and never again a car like the great new Borscht. Amazing, sensational, a car that fits your pocketbook.
In just one moment, folks, we'll return to Win the Whole Wide World. But first, let's hear what a man who thinks says about smoking.
I don't smoke.
Now at last, the new polka dot toothpaste. For a dazzling smile, use polka dot. 4 different colors to match your complexion.
Before you win the whole wide world, listen carefully to an important announcement from our alternate sponsor.
For beautiful hair, use Glamour Glue. Glamour Glue keeps your hair looking glamorous all day. Just stretch a curl and watch it snap back into place.
Are you overweight? Then Scat Fat tablets are for you. Take a handful and watch the fat scat. No more sleepless nights with Cork-Off, the drugless sleep inducer. For the greatest night's sleep of your life, uncork a bottle of Cork-Off. And sleep like a baby.
Are you ready to win the whole wide world? Then wake up, folks! Get your paper and pencils ready.
Wait for me.
For the whole wide world, who is buried in Grant's tomb?
I've got it. I've got the answer. I'm going to win the whole wide world.
Gate crasher, eh? No trespassing, sonny. Out you go. And now, Good Grief Rubber Company gives you an absolute puncture-proof tire.
Folks, we are bringing you a preview of the fabulous rustic Rambler home at Paris Green Estates, where everything is green, including the wood. Now, look at those real solid plaster walls.
I got the right answer.
Here's our first contestant. And now for the whole wide world, the question is, who is buried in Grant's tomb? And he says
Napoleon. Napoleon? Professor, can I have a word with you, please?
I am so sorry, sir. Your answer is wrong. The correct answer to who is buried in Grant's tomb is George Washington. However, as a consolation prize, you will be sent south for the winter with all expenses paid.
South for the winter. All expenses paid. Oh!
And once again, we bring you that show of shows, Hi-Ho Eskimo! But first, a word from our sponsor.
Oh, no!
Ladies and gentlemen, due to difficulties beyond our control, the picture has been interrupted.